Bayanya maga company ang perintah Sarawak SOE dipinta ngatur pengawak nisiah penguliah ngena teknologi artificial intelligence AI tinyadi cara ngerumban transformation digital engau nyungka pemanah gawak ngeratai ke servis ngagai rakyat. Dato' Patinggi Abang Zohari madah pemansang teknologi mayar itu berguna ke tiap iti organisation patut bersedia napi ubah lebih lagi berkenaan ke teknologi AI tinggal biang pemansang dudiari ila.
Each SOE should assess its readiness, identify priority use cases, and develop a clear AI roadmap for implementation. This finding should then be incorporated into their respective transformation plan. For these papers, SOE should work closely with Sarawak Artificial Intelligence Center (SAIC) to build the necessary capabilities and support structures. We cannot afford to be spectators in the next wave of technological change. We must be active participants.